Today we're going to look at how to properly install a playpen cover for your pontoon from Premier Marine. These are called J-clips. They are J-shaped hooks that are the key to proper installation. They are located on the underside of the cover and will be attached to the rails of your pontoon. The first step is to orient your cover correctly. The colored triangle indicates the front of the boat. You want to orient the cover so the triangle lines up with the center gate. Next, you'll begin unfurling the cover on either side. If you have a partner, you can do both sides at once. Pull the cover over the side panels and let it hang. As you do this, start pulling the J-clips down and attach them to the underside of the rail. You'll need to apply some force in certain areas to get the cover taut. Continue unfurling the cover and attaching the J-clips. When you get to the bimini, you'll notice a strap. Pull the cord and wrap it around the ball to make a cinch around the bimini. After that, attach the Velcro together that is underneath. Move along to the rear section of the bimini and repeat this process. Some of the covers have buttons and zippers here, but they serve the same purpose as a strap and Velcro. Once you've attached all of the J-clips to the rails, you're ready to insert the poles. The poles can extend and will help get the cover taut. Some boats require more or less poles. This particular model has 4. The system works by inserting the top of the pole into the black receiver. Simply slide the pole in, then bring the base of the pole to the floor. The base should be level with the flooring and the pole should be straight up and down. You can adjust the height of the poles as needed to increase or decrease tightness. After installing the first pole, repeat the process on the remaining poles. After all poles are attached and upright, exit the boat from the side gate and close the zipper behind you. Now close the gate and attach the remaining few J-clips. If all of the steps were followed correctly, you should be looking at your boat with a perfectly placed playpen cover. Thanks for watching, and please reach out if you have any questions about your cover.